I've been analyzing Silverados for 15 years. I know a fleet manager who manages 200 commercial trucks. He told me, there are 5 years I buy with my eyes closed, 5 that never let me down, 5 that make profit. If you own one of these, you chose like a professional. But before revealing which, I'll explain the criteria. Subscribe and hit that bell every day at 8 p.m. I'll be honest, any well-maintained Silverado is good. Any. GMT 800, legendary. GMT 900 early, solid. GMT 900 late, modern. 2015 plus, excellent. Every owner made a good choice, but fleet managers don't buy with emotion. They buy with data. He tracks everything: downtime, cost, mileage, resale value. 10 years managing 200 trucks, he discovered a pattern. 5 years that outperform all others in all metrics. What makes these 5 special? Extreme reliability, low cost, durability proven by millions of real miles. It's not theory, it's commercial fleet data. Now, the 5 years. First, 2005, last perfect GMT 800 year. Fleet manager loves 2005. Last simple year, any mechanic can fix. Mature Vortec, proven trans, basic electronics. Does 400,000 commercial miles. Delivery, construction, heavy daily use. You have a professional workhorse. Second, 2006. Perfect transition. Fleet manager says 2006 is the sweet spot. Last GMT 800 with GMT 900 improvements. Golden closing, high quality, costs not cut. Fleets seek it specifically. Does 500,000 miles, strong, profitable. Third, 2007. First GMT 900 done right. 2007 had adjustments, but solid structure, proven engine, first year that works. Inaugurates modern era, keeping reliability. Fleet manager runs it hard. Deliveries, construction, handles everything. Fourth, 2008. Refined GMT 900. GM took feedback from 2007, adjusted. It's 2007 better. Second year, problems corrected, production stable. Fleet manager has 50 2008s in the fleet. Why? They work. Fifth, 2009. GMT 900 at its peak. 2009 is my favorite. Third year, everything matured. Zero surprises. Generations peak. 3 years of data, nothing experimental. Does 600,000 miles. Commercial use. Heavy duty. Important. If you don't have these 5, your truck is still excellent. Early GMT 800, legendary. Video yesterday. 2010, great too. 2011 through 13, excellent. Video Friday. 2014 plus has very good years. I'll cover them. These 5, proven by commercial fleet data. Millions of miles, hundreds of trucks, 10 years of data. Not opinion, fact. If you own one of these 5, you chose based on what professionals know. 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 professional years. Fleet manager manages 200 trucks. These 5 dominate by data, by profit. If you own one, you have commercial investment, professional tool. You chose like professionals choose. Comment your year with miles now. And if you have another reliable year, comment too. We celebrate all. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Tomorrow 8 p.m., transmission specialist. Could be your year. You chose like a pro. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.